Number 92. A local sandwich shop offers 5 different breads, 4 different meats, 3 different cheeses, and 6 different vegetables. A customer can choose 1 bread, 1 meat or no meat, 1 or no cheese, and up to 3 vegetables. We need to find the total number of combinations of sandwiches possible. So let's talk about the breads first. So there's 5 different breads and someone can choose 1 bread. So if there's 5 different bread, then someone has 5 choices. So 5 choose 1. Now there are 4 different meats, but someone can choose whether to have 1 or no meat. So they can choose 1, but no meat also represents another choice. So it's going to be 4 choices of the meat or none, which is another choice. So therefore there are 5 total choices for the meat. Then the same for the cheese. There are 3 cheeses, but someone can choose 1 or no cheese. So maybe like, for example, somebody doesn't, they don't like meat, so they don't want any ham or anything on it. They just want a plain, maybe cheese and veggie sandwich. And then here on the other side, maybe somebody does not like cheese and they're allergic to it. So maybe they wouldn't choose a cheese. So there are 3 different cheeses, but someone can choose not to get any cheese. So that represents another choice. So therefore there are 4 total choices of the cheese. Then someone could choose up to 3 vegetables, up to 3 vegetables. So that means someone can choose 0 or 1 vegetable or 2 vegetables or 3 vegetables. And so then we have to represent those choices as well. So there are 6 total vegetables. So someone could choose 0 out of those 6 vegetables, or someone can choose 1, or someone can choose 2, or someone can choose 3. So putting this all together, someone will choose 1 out of the 5 breads, and they have 5 choices of meat, which is the 4 meats or no meat, so that's 5 choices, and they will choose 3 cheeses or no cheese, so that represents 4 choices, and then also the vegetable choices, so 0, 1, or 2, or 3. And then so this is 5 factorial over 4 factorial times 1 factorial times 5 factorial, same thing, 4 factorial over 1 factorial, 4 factorial over 3 factorial times 1, and then the rest of these as well. Plus 6 factorial over 5 factorial times 1, plus 6 factorial over 4 factorial times 2 factorial, plus 6 factorial over 3 factorial times 3 factorial. So continuing to simplify, this is 5 times 4 times, and that'll be the same thing, times 4 times 3 factorial over 3 factorial times 1, that cancels. And then in here is going to be 1 plus 6 times 5 factorial over 5 factorial, plus 6, 5, 4 factorial over 4 factorial times 2 times 1, plus 6, 5, 4, 3 over 3, 3, 2, 1. And then we keep on simplifying. So 4, 3 times 2 is 6. 2 goes into 6 3 times. So we're looking at 5 times 5 times 4 times 1 plus 6 plus 3 times 5 is 15 plus 5 times 4 is 20. So this is 100 times. This is 20, 35, 42. So there are 4,200 possible combinations of sandwiches possible. Combo of sandwiches.